This how to create a slow spiral zoom effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. To begin, double-click the clip you wish to apply the effect to. Next, click and drag the small blue handle in the center of the frame to the area you want the zoom to focus on. If you are using a still image, extend its duration to approximately 10 seconds. Navigate to the Effect Controls panel and click the stopwatch icon next to the scale and rotation parameters to set starting keyframes at the beginning of the clip. Move the playhead to the end of the clip and increase the scale value by 30% and the rotation value by 2 or 3 degrees to create the spiral motion. Alternatively, to achieve a smooth slow zoom rather than a spiral, delete the rotation keyframes. Move the playhead back to the first keyframe and adjust the scale value to 130%. Then, proceed to the last keyframe and reduce the scale value to 100% for a slow zoom in effect. Preview the clip to view the final smooth slow zoom. Refine the keyframes as needed to achieve the desired effect. With this simple technique, you can easily add dynamic motion to still images and clips in your Premiere Pro projects.